A really nice effect that you might want to try is to use the shuffle tool or the shuffle trigger. Let's see what happens. If I press play, then I hit shift and shuffle or D, I'll get a 0 in the display window. And then I can dial that up and you'll hear it start to swing or shuffle the sound. You can hear it's moving the hi-hat. Bring it back. That's a really cool way to build a kind of swing sound in. I can even go minus, so I can kind of go behind the straightness of the beat. It gives the effect of being quite lazy. Some really cool effects with that. And back to the original sound. Once I want to finish or leave shuffle, I can hit exit and I'm back to the sequencer again.